If you think this is just plain water with honey, you're wrong. This is the simplest morning medicine that activates the whole body. And you make it in less than 10 seconds. I drink this every morning, not because it's popular, but because of what then moves in the body. Today, I show you why honey water is one of the most powerful natural drinks for immunity, gut, blood sugar, and energy. Make it like this: 200 milliliters of lukewarm water, 1 teaspoon of real homemade honey. The water must not be hot so as not to destroy the enzymes. Mix and drink immediately. Honey water raises the level of antioxidants and strengthens the body's defenses as a natural shield. It moves the bowels, settles the stomach, and helps with bloating and constipation. Even though honey is sweet, in combination with water it slowly enters the bloodstream and prevents sugar spikes. You will get a natural morning boost without coffee and without nervousness. The most common mistakes are hot water, bad honey, and too much honey. 1 teaspoon is quite enough. If you want the fastest natural morning ritual that really works, try this tomorrow morning. If you like the recipe, write me a comment. This is a great recipe and like the video. Thank you, dear friends.